Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Faiza's Factory. Today we'll see how to make mayonnaise at home, which is very easy to make yet very yummy and healthy. First, take one big egg. Put it in the blender. Then add 1 cup of oil into it. I'm using sunflower oil here, which is very healthy, but you can use soybean or olive oil too. Then add 1 spoon white vinegar. It will create a creamy texture. Here add 1/4 spoon of salt, one-fourth spoon of sugar, and same amount of black pepper. Squeeze 1 slice of lemon to enhance the mayonnaise taste. You can add also 1 spoonful of coriander leaves, but that's optional. If you don't like coriander leaves, leave the idea. I prefer using basil leaves too if you have it in your home. Now the final part. Blend it well for 2 minutes and ta-da! We are done. So creamy. Store it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Bye bye.